Hey everybody, Bret here with Ackland Media Frames. Just wanted to take a quick minute and these snap caps that we have ready to go out. I'm here in the warehouse with Jeff and Fino, and this is kind of a pre-flight installation. It's something we do with our snap caps on custom sizes just to, make sure it's going to together well for you. A few things I wanted to point out about the snap cap frame that we have, which is getting a lot of attention, and also with that comes a lot of questions. So take a look at it. It's 1 3/4 wide. It's got a very smooth, clean appearance. I want you to notice the tight corners. They're really nicely mitered, very tight, and that's how they're going to look on the wall when you install them. Also, this is a 10-foot by 3-foot, give or take, for PTS marketing in Orange County, California. And 10 feet wide, our extrusions are only 8, so you're going to have a seam in the middle. But I want you to see that too. It's it's almost invisible. People say, "Oh, how's it go together?" They just go together. A nice straight cut, and there is no connector between the two pieces. They just go together nice and tight. Inside here, let's take a look at this. The snaps open and shut so much is because we've got what we call shim stock. This is a certain kind of spring metal that we put in here. It's the last thing we do before we test it. We pop these in, and they come to you with the spring metal already in place. This is not a tensioning frame like our original frame. This is just for display. It holds it in place. Okay, so when the vinyl or dye bond or paper or any type of media that you want to put in here is held in place, you just snap this shut like a clamp, watch your fingers, and it will hold it, but it does not pull it. So this is not for outdoor, heavy duty use, definitely not for trucks. It's more of a light duty for breezeways or for, up high classrooms and different things like that. A lot of car dealers are using them now for service bays. So the way it holds the vinyl in place, let me just reach in here if I can. This is an adhesive strip. We call it our hands-free perimeter. So you've got your vinyl with a raw edge. You just press it along this tacky surface here from the top first, and it'll hang down like a curtain. Holds it in place, then you do the same thing on the bottom. Press it against the wall, press it here. It'll get the wrinkles out. Hopefully you don't have a wrinkled piece. You got a nice piece on a roll. And then it'll hold it in place, hands-free, all the way. You look at it, make sure it's the right fit, and trim it if you need to, and then snap it shut. It's a snap. These come in, this is our silver anodized. They also come in a black anodized, and it's got great utility, great versatility. You can put it anywhere. I'm seeing them in many different types of retail environments, airports, schools are using them a lot. The thing is, you want them out of the reach of people, because these are, if kids figure this out, okay, you may have an issue with them opening up the frame and trying to take out the graphic, but it's very rare that that actually happens, because people don't go around doing that. It's going to be a bestseller this year, I know it. Hope you like it. We got 2 more frames coming out soon. We'll talk to you next week.